Hi guys, I'm Cody J and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So a couple weeks ago, I stumbled upon this new crease piece creation kit on TikTok and I just gave it a try. I have some comments, I have some concerns and some thoughts. If you want to see me use this for the first time, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm super excited about today's video because I'm kind of currently addicted to TikTok. Follow me at Cody J Artistry if you're not. I keep buying stuff that I see on TikTok. Like I just bought $30 worth of cookies the other day from there. And then the other day I was scrolling and I saw this bad boy, the crease piece creation kit. And I was like,
I gotta try it out.
I was like, what if I can use this to really just kind of speed it up a little bit? But also I wanted to review this. That way, if there are any of you who struggle with cut creases, maybe this will work for you and you can buy this and try it out and just love it and change your makeup game. It's only $19.99 and you can buy all these little shapes individually for only a couple bucks. But it comes with a handle, one round crease, one almond, and one wing crease set. Let's open it up. Okay, so opening her up, it looks like this. I don't know what shape I'm gonna use yet, but everything's like silicone. It's out like this. It's very lightweight. They kind of just fall out, so be careful. Okay, so I decided I'm gonna go with the winged shape today. So on the back, there's directions, so I'm gonna read them. It says, step 1, once you've chosen your desired crease, remove the film from the back to adhere it to the top of the handle. So I'm just going to peel it off like that. Now, when this adhesive dries out, then you can just put water on it, like wash it, and it'll bring back the stickiness.
Keep that in mind.
Okay, so we are going to get it like this. I'm gonna press it in. It sticks, no problem. Cool. Okay, so real quick, I'm going to prime my eyelid with my Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas eyeshadow base. Okay, for eyeshadow, I'm using the Ferocious Beauty Cosmetics Darkness Rising palette. Okay, so step 2 says to hold your crease piece gently against the designated eye and apply your eyeshadow over the top edge as desired. Me having hooded eyes, I'm just going to place it here, but I'm also gonna raise it up a little bit because you need to kind of make it work with your eye. Okay, so for my first color, I'm gonna go in with the darkest brown right here. So we're just going to apply it over the edge. Okay, so we have the outline like that, so let's take it off. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna take a lighter shade, which is this one right here. This is so weird. The shape is just so ugly, honestly. This is so ugly and so weird. This is the ugliest thing I've ever seen in my life. What is it? This is... Okay, so I'm looking at this again and I'm like analyzing it. It says wing R. You see that? Wing R. Right side. This is my right eye. It doesn't go on that one. It goes on the left side. So they're like marked wrong? That's why the shape is so ugly and weird. It doesn't, you see what I mean? It should be this way. It's literally backwards. So let me wipe this off and do it again. Okay, so now I'm putting the other one in here. But yeah, this one says wing L. That would mean left eye. What else would it mean? But it doesn't go on this eye. That doesn't make sense. It goes this eye, because that makes sense. Okay, it's time for the reveal. Let's see if this one's better. I mean, it ruins my foundation because you have to press it so hard against your eye for it to not move, and I'm like half blind in this eye, and now I gotta fix my face. So I guess if you're gonna use this, you should probably do your eyes first. I get the concept of it. Is it the worst thing you've ever seen? No. Is it the best thing you've ever seen? No. And like, I feel like you still have to kind of touch it up a little bit. Because yeah, like no matter what, it keeps like moving off of your face, which keeps it from being concise or precise, and I don't like that. So I'm gonna pack on a little bit of this color right here. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of that second color we used and just run it under my lower lash line. Okay, real quick for liner, I'm gonna use this nude color. It's called Honey Dude. Okay, a little Pat McGrath mascara. Okay, so real quick, I'm just gonna throw on my lashes and do the other eye off camera, throw on a lip, and I'll be right back to give you my final thoughts. Okay guys, I'm back and the look is all finished. I threw on my Ava lashes from Makeup Geek and I threw on the Gerard Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Invasion and topped it off with a little bit of gloss. Set my face with some ABH Dewy Set Setting Spray. One, the packaging is very minimal, cool. We don't like excessive packaging, it's not necessary. I don't understand what's going on with these bad boys. It said it kind of has the wrong letter on it, the wrong size. That's kind of weird. Overall, do I like this thing? No. I think it creates drastically different shapes. Like this one is weird and tadpole-y and this one is chunky and wide. It's so hard to keep it the same shape because it moves so much, because you're trying to not move your eye. When you're doing one side, it moves down on the other, and if you press it really, really hard against your face, it ruins your foundation. It's just, I'm not a fan of this overall. I think it's much easier to do a regular cut crease, doing the regular methods and not using this gadget. I wouldn't personally recommend it, I think, overall. Thank you for watching me try out this new little gadget that I found on TikTok. If you guys have any other little things that you see on TikTok that you think I might like to try, please let me know in the comments down below so I can check it out. But that is all I have for you guys today. If you'd like to keep up with all things Cody J, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and TikTok, all at Cody J Artistry. And of course, if you enjoyed today's video, even though this eye look was a flop, make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below. Click that big red subscribe button so you can join my YouTube family. Turn on my video post notifications by clicking that bell icon and switching it to all. And I thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next one.